Halo Membrodas, terima kasih udah klik video ini. Dan sekarang kalian akan melihat gue menggambar karakter Valgas di video ini cuy. Jangan kemana-mana, let's go. Oke cuy, jadi Valgas ini game baru yang lagi rame sekarang, yang banyak dimainin oleh streamer-streamer gamers di luar sana cuy ya. Tapi di game Valgas ini cuy, menurut gue yang menarik itu karakternya yang lucu cuy. Bisa gue bilang itu karakter yang sering dipakai buat bikin doodle cuy. Jadi gue tertarik akan membuat karakter si Valgas ini cuy. Oke, jadi gue akan menggambar karakter si Valgas ini menjadi spray cans cuy ya. Spray cans dan warnanya pink only cuy. Jadi spray cans doodle pinky. Entahlah itu apa namanya. Oke, langsung aja kita lihat proses gambar cuy. Let's go.
I just tell her shawty gotta get some ice cream. Color green, wanna eat her like some veggies. Water gun, I shoot a bitch in the face. Water gun, I pull up, then I let it spray. I just tell her shawty gotta get some ice cream. Color green, wanna eat her like some veggies. Water gun, I shoot a bitch in the face. Water gun, I pull up, then I let it spray. Who am I, Lil Larry? Pull up, pop a cherry. Chewing on some Trident, and that bitch tastes very berry. Late bloomer, and she say she need a tutor. 21, still ain't found no one to do her. I'ma put her through a master class. Driving fast, do 100 on the dash. Speaker louder than she put her friends on blast. Dodge the bull, I say olay, and then we smash, smash, smash. It's okay because I'm really by my bag. I'm like ways away, so where the haters at? All these fuckers jaded, but there's no point looking back. Used to go get faded, live up pain, I can't do that. I just tell her shawty gotta get some ice cream. Color green, wanna eat her like some veggies. Water gun, I shoot a bitch in the face. Water gun, I pull up, then I let it spray. I just told her shawty gotta get some ice cream. Color green, wanna eat her like some veggies. Water gun, I shoot a bitch in the face. Water gun, I pull up, then I let it spray.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Oh my god guys, gambar gue menghilang. Oh my god. Nggak guys, jadi bercanda. Gue di sini gue mau nyemil dulu coy, biar lebih enteng coy kepala gue. Jadi kita ambil dulu coy makanannya. Oke, jadi ini dia. Oke, jadi ini makanan apa ya? Ini karakter gua cuy sebenarnya. Gua siram pakai gula merah. Jadi kita makan cuy. Dan di sini ada watermelon cuy. Oke, kita lanjut gambar cuy. Let's go.
Said these bitches better talk nice to me or I walk out. Done chasing bras that don't never show me love now. Bitch, you dumb as fuck if you not fucking with me right now. Tell it to me straight, I don't wanna waste my time now. Moonwalking on these hoes like they Billie Jean. Feel like Mosey when I go, they all notice me. Made decisions on my life, I'm just trying to eat. Treat that fork in the road like some cutlery. I've been feeling like I'm a top boy. Spit that good flame, she like you a hot boy. Tell him look alive, cause I'm on a block, boy. Say 7 on 7 on, stop, I drop more. I've been feeling like I'm a top boy. Spit that good flame, she like you a hot boy. Tell him look alive, cause I'm on a block, boy. Say 7 on 7 on, stop, I drop more. Cold winter turn me into a monster. Never had nobody solo, shorty, I don't want you. I've been good for 21 years by my lonely. Used to sit the juice and fade away like I'm Kobe. Told her, hold on, play me. Know that you was never there, it was me and Wavy. I told my father, told my mama, this would go and pay me. So if you think I give a fuck, then you fucking crazy. Who the fuck is you? Saucing all that attitude. I might make some bloody shoes, stomping out your fucking tooth. Working while they hit the snooze, girl like this can never lose. Told them I'ma get it soon, bitch, I only speak the truth. I've been feeling like I'm a top boy. Spit that good flame, she like you a hot boy. Tell him look alive, cause I'm on a block, boy. Say 7 on 7 on, stop, I drop more. I've been feeling like I'm a top boy. Spit that good flame, she like you a hot boy. Tell him look alive, cause I'm on a block, boy. Say 7 on 7 on, stop, I drop more. I've been feeling like I'm a top boy. Spit that good flame, she like you a hot boy. 7 on 7 on, stop, stop, stop. I don't want you, I don't need you. I don't start, no, I don't start, no, I don't know.
Oke, gambar udah jadi dan enjoy the review cuy.
It ain't nothing to me. Young Tom Hardy with the movies, act out smoothly, Mickey for the goofies. Pokemon with the hoes cause I'm choosy, saying she a foodie, thinking she unique. And she always stressing about uni, think it's my duty to go and get faded with my goonies. Down shots like Lil Uzi. I done had 4 long nights this week, trying to stack my kills, my kills, my kills. Hit up my spot, gon' chill every week, give me my bills, my bills, my bills. I spit gold too much, might as well make myself some grills, some grills, some grills. Hitting these goals too much, pour some beer to the brim, my spill, my spill, my spill.
Oke, jadi gambarnya udah jadi seperti ini. Dan gua akhiri video ini. Semoga kalian terhibur dengan video ini. Dan jangan lupa klik subscribe buat kalian yang belum subscribe cuy. Komentar di bawah, komentar apa aja, asal jangan gulit cuy ya. Gue udah harap, thank you for watching and keep respect and happy value cuy. See you. Peace.
Get faded with my goonies, down shots like Lil Uzi. I done had 4 long nights this week, trying to stack my kills, my kills, my kills. Hit up my spot, gon' chill